How to use Google Translate on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to use your Google Translate on Facebook Messenger, then first of all open up your Messenger application. And now after opening your Messenger, you have to simply choose a chat, a random chat, tap on that, and then you have to tap on the search, like the message bar which is on the bottom. And now here you will have your keyboard, right? Your keyboard will pop out. So on the upper left side of your keyboard, you will have a four boxes icon. You can simply tap on that, and here you will have a bunch of options. So on the fourth option on the right side, you will have a Google Translate option. You can simply tap on Google Translate, and from here you can choose your language. So I'll be typing hello in English, and then it will automatically translate it to the other language. So that's it. That's how you use your Google Translate on your Facebook Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.